2022 6.4 liter HEMI. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Very, very quiet again. This is what the sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. Right at 93. One more. So we'll let you guys hear it after. All right, guys. So we showed you what it looked like before and sounded before. 2022 Powerwagon 6.4 HEMI, liters of power. What is it, Jared? HEMI, not the power. HEMI power. Come on, man. Say it from like in here. Jeez. Anyways, what we got done on it. Factory converter there. The other converter's down there. It's only got 35 miles on it. He drove it from the dealer to us. 3-inch pipe. Then we ran some more 3-inch pipe. Deleted the muffler, as you guys can see right there. Then 3-inch out the back. Left the resonator on it there. He'll probably get it, come back and take that off next and put some, probably a 5-inch tip on it or something. We'll see. There it is. There's the old muffler that was on it. That thing is gigantic. He just lost 100 pounds worth of weight just by taking this damn muffler off. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Powerwagon, baby. And we will appreciate his service. Go ahead. Not bad at all. Here's sound decibels. 110. Again? Wow, 112. That's loud, bro. Go ahead and back it out. Yeah, that's annoying. They come standard with that?
They made a mistake and ordered it like that. So now I gotta fix
it. Man, they're sick. I like it. Powerwagon, just a muffler delete. Bring it back. We need to take the resonator off. '22 Ram Powerwagon muffler delete. He's gonna bring it back and we're gonna do a resonator delete.